Here at BBS Esports Club, we're giving you a chance to explore your passion for competitive video games.
If you love games and if you love gaming, we have the perfect outlet for you to come meet like-minded students and become a part of a larger community
Where students can get together, learn from each other, play their favorite games. These days, we mainly compete in Minecraft.
We hosted several games with schools across the world, including Hawaii and Wisconsin.
However, we are planning to expand to include such titles as League of Legends, Overwatch, and FIFA. And you don't have to be a gamer to be part of the Esports Lab. We're on the lookout for passionate individuals, students who are interested in exploring streaming, shoutcasting, creating digital content, even coaching other players.
Come meet like-minded students, join our club, and become a part of this community.